Welcome to our WonderWash Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic portable washing machines from the laundry alternative, the WonderWash in white and the WonderWash in mint green. Both machines are designed for small spaces and offer a manual, non-electric solution for your laundry needs. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with the price. The WonderWash in white is priced at $69, while the mint green version is more budget-friendly at $55. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many potential buyers. Both products offer the same functionality, but if you're looking to save some money, the mint green WonderWash might be the way to go. Next up is weight. The white WonderWash weighs 7 pounds, while the mint green model is slightly lighter at 6 pounds. This difference may seem small, but for those who need to move their washing machine frequently, every pound counts. The lighter model could be more convenient for transport and storage. Finally, let's talk about the lid mechanism. The white WonderWash features an EZ lever lid, which may provide easier access and a more robust closure. In contrast, the mint green model has a screw-in lid, which might be less convenient for some users. Depending on your preference for ease of use, this could influence your choice between the two. In conclusion, both the white and mint green WonderWash portable washing machines offer great features for those in need of a compact laundry solution. The choice between them ultimately comes down to your budget, weight preference, and lid mechanism. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.